Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at Famous 4 by Tauren, and the song is in the key of B flat major. So this song is quite a mid-tempo song. It's not too fast, not too slow. So the chords are pretty easy, and yeah, it's the chord progressions aren't too complicated. So we're gonna start off by just showing you all the chords. So the first chord of the song is a E flat major 7. Second chord is a F major and a G minor, F over A, another chord and a B flat major, and a B flat major over D. So we're gonna hop in right into the intro. So it starts off with this riff. So I'm holding E flat for 3 beats, and then on the 4th beat I'm playing a G minor, and I'm holding F for another 4 beats. So you can play the riff this way with octaves, or you can play single notes. Okay, so that is how the intro goes. So when you get into the verse, you are playing the same progression that you're playing on the intro, but with the exception of the last line. So the last line you're just holding E flat for 4 beats. So it goes like this. I'm starting with the E flat major 7, G minor to F, E flat, 2, 3, 4. And on this last line I'm holding E flat, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And the second verse, again, and this is where the chorus starts. Start E flat to F to G minor to F over A, so the last 2 lines of the chorus go back into what you were playing in the verse. Okay, so what I'm playing in the chorus is E flat major 7 to F major, G minor, what you are famous for, and F over A. So that's what you play, and then for those last 2 lines that I believe you're playing the intro chord. And you go back to the top of the verse. So now I'm in the third verse, and there's a passing chord in this one. Okay, so the passing chord is a B flat major over D. So the third verse, we don't hold that E flat for 4 beats and wait, so the last line we just play it as normal and go straight into the chorus again. So when we get, okay, don't mind what I did there. You can just play it as normal with the chords. I just get bored sometimes when I just have to hold the same chords, so I just try and do something different. So yeah, you can make it your own. You don't have to play it exactly the way that it's done. You can add a bit of movement into the chords. So when we go into the bridge, we start on the G minor chord, God of abundantly, and then we use a passing chord, which is B flat into E flat, back to B flat, now F. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so earlier on when I was showing you the chords, I showed you B flat like this, but you can basically just remove this F on top and play B flat like this. So yeah, just in case you get confused with that. So after the bridge, you go right back into the chorus again, and depending on what you want to do, you can keep going back and forth with the bridge and the chorus. And yeah, that's the song, guys. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and feel free to put your song requests in the comment section. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.